again. It's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard where it's 100 degrees. And I can't say I'm happy about it, but I'm okay. I've taken measures. I have a 16 by 20 inch canvas in front of you, and I have taken my glasses off. This is, oh good, I found them, and my water bottle, which I also need. So I have a venue where I want some light colored artwork, and in order to do that, I have to be willing, I have to be willing to use some light colors. I've also wanted to do some color blocking lately. It looks like everything that I'm opening is plugged, but and or not shaken. So this is a good start, right? I will get there, I promise. Let's see. I got some gold. Can't beat gold. Oh, really? Okay, maybe you can. So let's just take some of the stuff that I've got going on over here and use it. It's hot today, so it's very liquidous. And I don't intend on taking the longest time to do something, but I figure whatever I start with is better than nothing. And this is what I've got to start with. Like I said, I wanted some geometrics. Looks like I've got paint everywhere. This is not really what I expected, but I guess I wasn't thinking too seriously about it. Luckily, I've got other acetate cards. And I have some other gold. And it doesn't matter what I start with, because I know I'll just do something with it. I'm sure of it. Where is my other gold? This other gold is my mica gold. And it is also laced with Floetrol at the top. I thought that would shake it up enough. Evidently I'm wrong. But whatever covers the canvas at the beginning here is a good thing, in my opinion. And I gotta remember that it's really, really, really liquidous. That's a white metallic from Anita's. I'd like to use that over the edge right there. And take that thing that's in there that doesn't belong in there. Let's push some of this over the edge too. All that, just right over the edge. And let's go back and find some more of this nice red-orange that I just mixed up today. And I like the fact that that pink in there is reacting with it so nicely. And I'm going to grab a little more. That's purple. That is an Art Minds Color Shift Iridescent. Excuse me. Almost got that wrong. You can dip your card in. You can move it back and forth. I love doing these. I don't mind having some residuals on my card. It's a little different with the paint being so runny. So just slow down and take your time. I've never tried to do one quite this fast, but the paint's never been quite this fast either. I'm going to push that right over the edge. Use my finger to throw it in place. I want some of that Prussian blue, but I'll settle for some of this purple right now. And I'm going to put a little bit more of this Anita's metallic white over there. And use it to cover the edge too. You know, I'm not too concerned about what's going on because I'm just having fun, and I recommend fun to everyone. I might have to wipe my card off before I have any more fun. Or I'll make some mud colored fun. I'd like to keep adding this white, hoping that someday I'll let myself keep some of it, but it's actually metallic, so maybe some regular white is coming right up, and maybe I'm going to wipe off my card, because I like that particular card, and I always keep a damp studio rag. That's not coming out. But this is similar, fortunately. I want some regular white. I also want some of this yellow. Maybe this yellow is the way to go. Maybe I'm going to open a bunch of bottles. Let's grab the other yellow. Where are you, other yellow? You're probably right here. You know what? I'm just going to... Oh! Okay. That was me. That was me getting hit with a little tiny... A cute little splooge. Okay, so this is going to go that way first. I'm going to dip that in. I'm going to pull that this way. And use the residuals. I like the gold with the yellow. Hey, it actually came out. That's pretty cool. I don't know why I like the gold with the yellow. It doesn't even make sense to me when I hear myself say it. But, that being said, I don't mind. I use GAC 800 in all of my paint mixes, so that if I want to leave something thick, I can. Like that would have been if I hadn't tipped the canvas. I'm sorry you can't see anything for a second. I'm just letting that flow down. And then I'm going to use my shirt as a paint rag, because I can. The name of my book on the Amazon link. I have some of this other cool color. And I'm going to dip that card in all the way up this time. I'm going to use a bunch of that. Take all of the residuals and put them over on the edge. Try not to get too muddy. I might have to rinse this card in a minute. So I'm still having a good time with the pink, but I want some more of that purple. And I want some real white. I also have this other lovely pink. I've got great colors, there is no doubt about it. I have collected folk art color shifts and art mines, iridescence, you name it, I've collected it. And I keep as many colors mixed as I can possibly manage, and I just mixed up a lot of batches today. I want to keep paying attention to my edges and get something close to them, because otherwise it'll have to be a completely different animal when it gets down there, which it may anyway. Makes me want to use some of my new blue. My dog has just decided to join us. My husband is not paying attention. As long as he doesn't go turtle hunting right now, we're all good. And I think, now he's under my feet. Okay then. Honey? No, honey is somewhere else. I got a different card. I've got some white on that card. Okay, dog. Bye-bye. Go on. Try not to kill anything. I like that right there. That works for me. I've got a lot of paint there. I think I had to let it flow right back down. I think I have my tubing I found. Yes? And I think I also have some Prussian blue around here that I want to use. I like this color here so much that I think I'm just going to press down with whatever on my card. Whatever is on my card, yes, my grammar is suffering in the heat, no doubt. Let's give that, what else? A little bit of this. And let's combine some of that and see what happens. I don't think that can be a bad thing. Nope, that's not a bad thing. I'm just going to keep playing. As long as you're here and I'm here, I'm going to keep playing. That is a magenta with a golden iridescent pearl fine. 4 ounces is like 27 bucks, so wait for a coupon. I'm just going to use my finger to cover that little spot. Let the rest of the paint go down over the edge. And I'm liking what I've got, and maybe this time I can stop. Right? Right? Did you hear that? No. Yeah, the chances are probably not great. But I would like to think that I could. So I stopped short so I could go back and even out that color. And that's okay with me. I like this color. I like that white spot, actually. That's the truth. So let me see. I probably should have grabbed more cards out. Hey, sweetheart, can you come and get the dog? It must be just one of those days. Don't call him, just go get him. Right behind me. You need shoes, honey. It's easy to want to go barefoot here, but there are grass thorns. I think they call them sand spurs, and they're really dangerous. That's funny that he's telling him to come, because that dog does not come. If he knows what the word means, it would be a surprise to me. Like a really big surprise. I like that strange little thing here. I got some neat stuff going on in here. That gold is neat. I think I want some more gold. I think I want a lot more gold, actually. Let's see what happens with this. Kind of want to find my Prussian blue, like I've been saying. I'll let that go right over the edge. Actually, I'll let it go all the way down there. And then I'll come over here. Let's see what we can pop as far as cells go. Because usually gold and Prussian blue will combine and make some little cells. You can't see them, they're really small. But they're there. What else? Where'd my gold go? Right there. Now the rabbit catching dog has been housed for the moment, and he can come back later when I'm not trying to make a video. I want, what do I want? I want that. I want to try that. Wrong way, the right way. I can just add gold. That's cool. Okay, well, I've got 2 minutes left, and I might be able to do this. And it's pretty light and bright, and I like that about it. I didn't use enough of that color. I don't think I used any of that color, actually. I'm going to use a slightly clean edge. And go back to my white. And maybe, can I get it out of there? You know what? I never opened that top on that yellow, and I want that yellow. So I'm going to have it. Thank you for being so patient. Which reminds me, I'm getting close to time, so I might as well tell you guys whatever I usually tell you. Which is I do sell my artwork. And if you're interested in purchasing something, just get in touch with me via YouTube, and I'll get right back to you as soon as I can. soon as I see your message. Yep, that's okay. Let's just go all the way over there. Use that other gold too. That does not bother me. That is a big gap, and I think I want to do something with that. What do I want to do with this? I'm going to take that yellow. Actually, I want some orange in there, and I did just open one, didn't I? Yes. Oh, I like that. Just dip it in. It's hot enough just to drip down right now. What am I missing? I think I don't have enough of this pink. I like the odd anomalous shapes just surprising me in the middle of everything else. As I go through, I love the white. I say that and then I change it with something else. But that is the nature of this process. Allowing everything to change up. And attempting to cover my edges. And create a straight part and steal a little paint, which never bothered me before and it isn't bothering me now either. That's my 2-minute warning to tell you guys, whoops. That's my 2-minute warning that I just put on through for 3 minutes, so you'll disappear far before I'm done. And I love you guys. There's over 66,000 of you. I appreciate all the subscriptions. I hope you continue to watch. And if you do watch, I would appreciate your thumbs up. Because YouTube knows when you give me a thumbs up, and it means that they give me better placement for my videos on YouTube, so that in turn makes me want to make more videos for you guys. So thank you very much, and thank you very much for watching more of the videos, because the YouTube algorithm also knows when you do that, and when you watch the commercials, they give me better placement. What can I say? I'm trying to make a living being a YouTube artist, and you guys help a lot along that path. So, I do sell my artwork. I think I said that. I do sell my artwork at the studio in Spring Hill and online. So, if you find something that you'd like to have, make note of the hashtag number at the end of the title of any video, along with the date, so I have a better chance to find it, and mention it on YouTube, and I will get back to you as soon as I can with an email. I have a Princeton Artful Catalyst spatula, which are one of many things, yes, on my Amazon link that is below the video. And if you shop there at no added cost to you, it helps me out. And you will find my book called Because I Can, and the Princeton Artful Catalyst spatulas, and the gold mica powder. And if you need that recipe, just ask me. I'm not sure I like that. And I'll give it to you. The paint pouring recipe is underneath the video, underneath Show More, along with my Pinterest and my Instagram and a couple of Facebook albums that belong to Expressionist Art Studio Gallery fans and collectors. You may have to join there, but there's no big deal to join. I just let you in, and that's where I have attempted to post a lot of the wet and dry artworks from YouTube. I don't think I want to do that again, and I love that color, so I think we need a little bit more of that right here. Very carefully. Yeah, that does not bother me. I'm actually fairly well pleased with that. Okay, I got this one space left. It actually had paint in it, so I think I'm done. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida. I see that spot. Ha! I bet you saw that spot too. What am I going to put in there? What? Gold? If it doesn't look right, it can be... Whoa, that's a bug.